Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the surface burner spark module in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the range away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the lower rear access panel. Lift the panel up and out to remove. Unthread the 3 screws to release the left side stop bracket. Repeat to detach the right side bracket. Now lift the upper rear access panel up to remove. Note the orientation of the spark electrode wires connected to the spark module, then disconnect them. Now unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old module. Install the new spark module by aligning it on the back panel and threading the screws to secure. Connect the electrode wires to the appropriate terminals on the new module. Reinstall the upper rear access panel by hooking it on the tabs. Realign the 2 stop brackets and thread the screws to hold them in place. Reinstall the lower access panel by inserting the tabs in the slots first. Lower the panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.